Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen tool that every home chef should consider adding to their arsenal, the Electric Knife Sharpener, a professional rechargeable kitchen knife sharpener designed with diamond abrasives and precision angle guides. We've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The Electric Knife Sharpener is a powerful, compact device that restores dull blades to razor-sharp edges in just seconds. Gone are the days of struggling with manual sharpeners. This tool makes the process not only quick but also safe and user-friendly, perfect for both novice and experienced cooks alike. One of the standout features of this sharpener is its instant precision sharpening capability. With just a few strokes, you can bring your knives back to life, whether they're straight edge or serrated. The built-in fixed angle guide ensures that every knife is sharpened at the ideal angle, commonly used by professional chefs. This means you can trust that your blades will be sharpened evenly and effectively every time. Another impressive aspect of this knife sharpener is its 100% diamond abrasive technology. The proprietary diamond wheels are the hardest sharpening material available, which not only sharpens faster but also lasts longer than conventional stones. This guarantees years of reliable use without compromising the integrity of your blades. For those who value portability, the Electric Knife Sharpener won't disappoint. It features a wireless design with Type-C charging and a built-in lithium battery. This means you can easily use it without being tethered to an outlet, allowing for flexibility in various settings, whether it's in your kitchen, at a barbecue, or even on a camping trip. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you love cooking and want to maintain your knives in peak condition, this sharpener is an excellent choice. It's perfect for home cooks, professional chefs, and anyone who regularly uses knives in the kitchen. Its ease of use makes it accessible for beginners, while the quality ensures that seasoned chefs will appreciate its performance. In practical terms, using this sharpener is incredibly straightforward. Just tilt the dull blade against the outer wall and pull it inward to sharpen. You can restore sharpness in just 2 to 5 strokes per slot, allowing you to achieve razor-sharp edges in as little as 30 seconds. It's a time-saving tool that enhances your cooking experience, ensuring that your knives are always ready for action. In summary, the Electric Knife Sharpener is a must-have for anyone who values efficiency and quality in the kitchen. With its powerful sharpening capabilities, precision angle guides, and durable diamond technology, it makes knife maintenance a